My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the scary pop-ups that come from the site Nywekir.live. This is a deceptive pop-up that may periodically attack your browsers. Nywekir.live claims to be related to some well-known security program. However, there is no connection between these pop-ups and this well-known security program. Nywekir.live is therefore a deceptive pop-up that you shouldn't trust. It's totally faulty, it's deceptive, so don't ever interact with these pop-ups. It claims that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. But the point is that if this pop-up comes up on other computers, it claims the same thing, that the PC is infected with 5 viruses, which cannot be true. If computers are infected, the number of course varies. So there is something really misleading about all these pop-ups, and you shouldn't interact with them. Don't trust their deceptive alerts. I recommend that you carefully research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus in order to detect the malware causing these pop-ups. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.